Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So, to make Google Chrome your default browser, you need to open Google Chrome first. So, I am going to open Google Chrome now. Now here we can see our Google Chrome has opened. Up to the right corner of this side, you will see three dot option. So click here. Now click settings. So scroll down and you will see our option name make default. Now click make default. So you can see it has opened settings. From here we need to click our default browser, which is now Microsoft Edge, and now I'm going to click this and select Google Chrome. So now our default browser has become Google Chrome. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, then give it a like and also subscribe us to get more videos and updates. Also, don't hesitate to comment below if you have any kind of problems.